Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today I am in the kitchen just to pack these, and I'll tell you why. I just got water bottles and a light lunch, just PB&Js, because we're gonna go do a family walk, a family hike in the nearby mountains. This morning we're just waiting for Paul to get back from a church thing, and then we're off. It's about 9 o'clock, so we're gonna get going pretty soon, and it is gorgeous. And we have these about an hour away from us, this mountain range called Mount Charleston. So I can't wait to go. Okay, we're on our way. It's so bright and sunny. So going up to Mount Charleston, we'll see how much cooler it gets. We're here at the visitor center. We're gonna just go get some gum, I think. Just take out a couple, go to the restroom first, and then we'll go on our hikes. But goodness, look how beautiful. So we just pulled up. We're at Robbers Roost, which is in Lee Canyon, off Lee Canyon Road in Mount Charleston. It's a short, one less than a mile round trip, and it goes pretty steep, but it's pretty fast. So the weather's nice. The last time we took a reading, it was about 75 degrees-ish. So we're out of the Vegas heat for a couple hours, and I can't wait. Jonas, you have your pack ready. This time you brought Gatorade, right? I'm fixing that. There's your walking. Let me get my backpack. So we already just started, and I'm already huffing and puffing because this is much higher than when we were at Kolob, so the air is thinner. But let me show you the view. It goes straight up. Little story: when we pulled at the visitor center, there was commotion. We watched this bigger dog, maybe a pit bull, jump out of a window and start attacking a little dog. Hurt my heart. And now I'm hearing some commotion at the top of this hike because it's kind of echoey, so better not be that same dog. So we've reached the top. You can see that there's like little caves in there that I guess a long time ago a band of robbers used to hang out in here, and I could see why. But now we're just gonna have having a little lunch break. Yep, it's been good. And the barking wasn't that same dog. I don't know what we would have done if it was that same dog. That was scary. And there was like some confrontation. It wasn't pretty. We just finished lunch, and now we are on the descend. Ooh. It's easy though. Well, I remember Isaiah having a hard time with this, but he has a severe fear of heights. We're just trying to enjoy the outside. It's overcast, so there's not direct sun. You can really appreciate the pine and the smells of there's mountain flowers. It is so nice, and we're not that far away from the road. You could probably hear it in the background. We talk about like decomposition. I'm just really liking this hike today. You did it too, Jonas. Now we're all done. We've been about an hour or so. Perfect weather, nice and overcast, and now we need to head home because we have some more things that are planned, and I'll show you and I'll take you along with us. Whew, we just came home. I unpacked our packs, and now I need to get ready for our live, which is going on in a couple minutes. So that was like perfect timing. So I just love our Saturday live. So I have to make sure I'm back by then, right? So let me get going on that, and then I think we're just gonna hang around here for a few hours, and then we have a birthday party to go to this evening. So we'll bring you along for that, and let's go. So I'm all done getting ready for this party, but we still have about a couple more hours. So I'm just gonna get started making our dinner for tomorrow afternoon around 1 or so. So I thought I'd make shepherd's pie so I could just get all the components together put it in the refrigerator and bake it tomorrow. I'll have a video linked below of when I actually made it. And it's so easy. So I'll just be putting, you know, don't mind me, I'll just be putting some dinner together back here. Okay, so I have the bottom done. I'm gonna work on making the mashed potatoes now. Nice and hot, little saucy. I even used cornstarch to make it gluten-free. Now just making some smashed potatoes. And then you can see, I don't know if you can, not yet, but I'm going to mix them together. So now I have everything like in here in the pan. I'm just gonna add my mashed potatoes, which he just sampled. How'd it go?
Good. I want more.
He wants more. But it's for lunch tomorrow, so we're just gonna put this in the refrigerator. And normally I would make this in an 8x8, but I'm like, why? Let it spread out. So it's gonna be good in this 9x13. And actually, I probably should make it in a 9x13 from here on out because it just makes a lot of space. The 8x8 would be fine, but I'm like catching like some of the spills sometimes. So Ezra's a fan of the mashed potatoes, which got me thinking about the fall holidays coming up in Thanksgiving. So I am excited. So let me know if you're excited for the fall weather. I am. I love the fall. It's my favorite. And Ezra will eat the mashed potatoes this year. Okay, so now we're gonna get ready. I have Ezra signing a card for his little friend. And you ready to do that, Ezzy?
Yeah, I'm ready to go bowling.
And it's at a bowling alley, so we're gonna take you along with us. So Ezra's got something for you. Oh, that was cute. That was like a flyby. We're at like this old time, like awesome bowling alley that we come to actually quite a few times. So cute in here, this little like little lanes. So fun. Are you ready to bowl?
Yes.
Yes. Your shirt is perfect for tonight. Let's root for each other. Wait, right here, SUV. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah. That's 5. Oh, as he's getting his move.
Yeah, let's go, Jordan! I've never actually gotten it.
Well, at least they hit the pin. Like in the bowling?
Yes. I like this.
That's fun. Just got home. Let me see what you got.
Another bag. Nerd, I didn't eat that.
Yeah, it was a little dark in the car, so he just devoured everything, I think, in that goodie bag. So tell us what you did.
I was playing some bowling and my friend won.
Yes, and wasn't it so fun to cheer for your friends and stuff?
Yeah.
Just like your shirt.
That's the winter.
Let's root for each other. So you had a good time?
Yeah.
It was fun, huh?
Yeah.
There's a lot of kids there, huh?
I want to do it again.
You want to do it again? That's a good place. We like going there and going bowling.
It's fun.
Phew, that is it. We've had quite the eventful day. Lots of things were planned. We had fun hiking. It was just the best weather. Nice cloud cover. Time to be away from like our electronics, just to get out there and walk around. It was so nice being with the family. Plus, we got to spend some time with some friends bowling, even though there was like a ton of kids there. All boys. It was still a lot of fun, and so I just wanted to share a little bit of our day with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. We have lots of fun here, so stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.